Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company, and today we'll be discussing configuration of sales and lead management. To start off our topic today, we're here on the contact page of my storefront. If your customer reaches this page and they fill out this form and submit it, you may have wondered in the past, hey, to whom at my company is going to receive a copy of this form in my email? And you know what? How do I change where this form is being directed to when my customer fills it out? Well, today we'll talk about configuring those emails for this form and many others. We'll start by journeying back to our CMS Editor dashboard, clicking on Store, and down to Locations. Once Locations loads, we'll click over to Sales and Lead Management. And to put it simply, over to the left, it lists out every single form that your customer can fill out on your site. The person that is entered in the primary email address will be the first one sent a notification when that form is filled out on your site. And anyone in addition to this first individual that you also wish to receive a notification, you can put down in the CC field down below. Just in case you're not sure how to format those multiple emails when entering them into here, we give you a good clean example down beneath each one. And just because we were referring to the contact form earlier, you can see here underneath our contact form, the first one to receive a notification email will be myself, and any of my coworkers, or if I would like to put a secondary email that maybe goes strictly to my cell phone for when I'm out of the office so I can keep track of progress, I could enter down here in the CC field. Then, of course, once you've entered in and set all the primary and secondary emails for these forms that are on your site, you'll scroll down to the bottom, click on Save, and of course, to bring these new changes over to your site, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner and Publish Changes. This has been how to configure sales and lead management on your responsive ARI website. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.